The Optimist Club of Bardstown is encouraging area students to contemplate the topic, How Dreams Lead to Success, as a part of the Optimistic International Essay Contest of 2014. The Optimist Club will judge the local students' essays based on the theme and will determine the top winners. Winners will receive monetary awards, and the winning essays will be sent to the district level where college scholarships are available for top winners. The Bardstown Optimist Club has participated in the essay contest for 53 years and has been active in the community since 1954. Students wishing to participate in the essay contest can find out more by contacting Rita Williams at Bardstown High School. She will be reached at 502-331-8802 or 502-348-5433.
Student council members will be selling personalized candy canes for $1. They will deliver a candy cane with a personalized note to a person of your choosing. These can be purchased this week before school and during lunch.
Seniors, if you took your senior drape/tux picture with a photographer other than Life Touch, you must submit it to Ms. Flanagan no later than Friday, December 20th. If you have not yet taken the photo, please do so and submit the photo by this date.
Don't forget the deadline for ordering the 2014 yearbook is January 30th, 2014. Visit the BHS webpage to place your order online.
Juniors, the Lincoln Trail Youth Leadership Council is currently requesting nominations. Nomination forms are available on the website at www.itys. All forms must be completed and returned to Ms. Hamilton by Friday, December 6th.